Hello children, welcome back to HUMARI Pathshala. Today I am going to teach you a very important thing. If you are beginner, if you want to start writing or you don't know how to write, how to start writing, where to start, so this video is very helpful for you. Okay, so today I am going to teach you some patterns. These patterns will help you to start writing, or these patterns will help you in drawing as well. You can use 4-rule notebook like this. These are 4-rule notebooks. You can use, or my suggestion is you can use plain drawing book, okay, drawing notebook. So use these type of plain drawing notebook. So children, try to make these patterns in this notebook, okay? Today I will teach you some patterns. So there are two types of patterns we are going to learn today. And first is line patterns and second is curve pattern. So we will start from line patterns, then curve patterns, then we will learn many other patterns so that it will help us to start writing. So this video is for beginners age 2 to 3 years. Children who wants to start writing or they don't know how to write, they can watch this video. Okay, let's start. So children, this is plain paper and try to make strokes on this plain paper. Freehand strokes. What is this? Children, what is this? This is standing line. This is standing line. Okay. So children, these are standing lines. So we are learning today standing line. Standing line, standing line, standing line. Now please trace on this standing line for couple of times. Try to draw standing line like this, okay? This will very beneficial for the beginners in writing and drawing too. So next stroke is the line pattern. Second line pattern is sleeping line. Okay. So now we will try to make sleeping line. Do you know what is sleeping line? How can we draw sleeping line? This is the way you can draw sleeping line. Children, please trace on this sleeping line for couple of times. It will be easy for your writing practice. Okay? You are able to draw line perfectly. Sleeping line. See how can you trace sleeping line? You can also draw points and try to connect them like this. Draw 2 points and try to connect them. Okay? Now try to make sleeping line of equal size. You can make many sleeping lines of equal size like this. Sleeping line. Okay? These are sleeping lines. Try to trace it. Okay? These are all sleeping line. 2 points and try to connect these 2 points. This is sleeping line. 2 points, try to connect this. This is sleeping line. Okay? Third line pattern is slanting line. Third line pattern is slanting line. So, third line pattern is right slanting line. Okay, right slanting line. Right slanting lines means line that is tilted towards right side. Tilted towards right side. Okay. Now try to draw right slanting line which is tilted towards right side in this way. Draw 2 points and try to connect it in this way. This is right slanting line. You can trace on this slanting line. This will help you to draw it perfectly. Tilted towards right side. Can you see that these lines are tilted towards right side? Okay. Slanting line, slanting line. Okay, slanting line. Try to draw slanting lines of equal length or equal size. Slanting line. Okay, try to trace it many times. It will help you. Slanting lines. Right slanting lines. Okay. Now we will try to draw left slanting line. Left slanting line tilted towards left side. Draw 2 points and try to connect it. Line tilted towards left side. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Try to trace it many times. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Okay. Left slanting line. Try to make it many times. It will help you to draw a perfect line. Have you seen rooftop? Rooftop. We make rooftop by these slanting lines. Right slanting lines, we use it. And left slanting line, we use left slanting line and right slanting line. Now try to draw left slanting lines here like this. If you have 4 rule notebook, then you can draw left slanting line like this. Okay. Use 3 lines of your notebook and draw it. Now we will learn curved pattern. Curved pattern. Okay. Right curved pattern or right curves. How to draw this? Right curves. Okay. You can draw it like this. Try to trace it many times so that you can make half circle perfectly. Left curves. How can we draw left curves? So this is left curve. Try to trace on it 2-3 times. Trace on it 2-3 times so that you can make a half circle perfectly. This is half circle. Right curve and left curve. Right curve, left curve, like this. Okay. So this is kind of pattern. Right curves, left curves. Right curves and left curves. Okay. Right, left, right, left. Curves. Trace on it. Trace on it. Trace on right curves. Trace on right curves, like this. Now you have to draw these left curves in your ruled notebook like this. Okay? Left curves and right curves like this. This is right curve. These are right curves. Right curves. Right curves on 3 lines. Okay? Try to draw this multiple times. Try to trace on each and every curve again and again so that you can make these half circles perfectly. Left curves and right curves. So the next curve pattern is up curve, up curve, up curve, up curves and down curves. Okay. So up curve will be like this and down curve will be like this. This is down curve. Okay. This is up curve. Trace on it. Down curve. This is down curve. This is up curve. Down curve. Down curve. Up curve. Try to make it again and again. Up curve. And this is down curve. Up curve. Down curve. Up curve. Down curve. Down curve. Down curve. Down curve. Now the next line pattern is crooked line pattern or zigzag. Crooked line pattern. So we draw it like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or we can say zigzag line. Down, up, 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 down, up. Now children, try to draw this pattern. Sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. Okay, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing. Now try to draw standing lines in ruled notebook like this. Okay. Use 3 lines for 2 points and try to connect these 2 points. Okay. Like this. Now try to draw right slanting line. Right slanting line between these 3 lines. Okay. You have to use 3 lines only. This is left. These are left slanting line. Tilted towards left side. Use 3 lines only. This is left curve. These are left curves. Now these are right curves. Right curves. Right curves. Use 3 lines. These are sleeping lines. Try to make sleeping lines like this. Try to draw crooked line pattern in this way. Up, down, up, down, up, down.